ganda mo.
Wow! Wow, Bin!
Ito po, fan.
Pogi na! Fernando, babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Maya pagat panapon po kaya kayo nginingal dongay ni at kami kening Bienetré. So it's a spa and aesthetic shop. So lungkop tamo ngini, ilawin tamo nung nanularet ang service desk da mga yan. So just in case you are looking for na spa or nunukan kayo magpalago mga yan, this is the place to be. So let's check out their services, tara! Alright, so nadatnan pa natin sila, mga model natin and Sir Marvin. Hello Sir Marvin!
Hi!
Yun,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Sorry,
yun.
welcome. In every business is always a morning, right?
Right. Okay.
Welcome to Bienetre, we're in Pampanga.
There you go. Thanks for inviting us po. Okay, so right now we're gonna introduce our model. Feeling ko kasi aliko karapat dapat naman. Pero later on we're gonna check out their services. But today we're gonna introduce our models. So there you go. Hi guys.
Hi.
There you go. Please introduce yourself po. Where can we see you or how can we contact you through your social media handles? Oh, sige po. Ladies first.
Hi guys, my name is Dre Brown and I'm from here, talaga originally, Angeles City. I do TV commercials, events, modeling, and hosting at events.
Hi, my name is Christoph Garcia. You can follow me at Christoph Garcia. And you can also watch me GMA7.
Wow, what show, sir?
Kayo na taben, Just a Stranger with Ann Curtis.
Hello guys, I'm Hil Galang. I'm a dancer and model. Sa Manila, pero taga Kapampangan.
Kapampangan ka, sir?
Yes.
So, everyone here is Kapampangan?
Yes.
Opo, Kapampangan.
Proud Kapampangan. Okay, so Sir Marvin, what are we trying to do here with Gray?
So with Ray naman here, so she's just experiencing our jet feel.
Okay.
No, so it's the action or the power of the hydrogen and the oxygen for the resurfacing of the skin. Non-invasive.
Correct.
There's no pricking and everything. It's just the action of the hydrogen and the oxygen. We know by the fact that if your skin is oxygenated and hydrogenized,
Correct.
it is more healthy looking, much firmer.
Okay.
So that's why it's a must for especially a young lady
Correct.
that looks like her talaga na kailangan talaga is ma-maintain with our jet feel signature system. Hi Christoph! So what we have here with Christoph is just that the RF lift. But this is not just an ordinary RF machine. It's non-invasive. So as you can see, Christoph is enjoying. So it's under 40 degrees Celsius the thermal thing
Yes.
na kailangan niya, nag-e-enjoy ka pa
Yeah.
during the treatment.
Yeah.
The thermal heat niya, so it gently melts. Your skin produces its own collagen.
Oh.
So it's the natural collagen, siya yung nagpo-promote para magkaroon ka ng firmer skin. So especially dito sa cheek area.
Tell us more about this service. What's happening right now?
Procedure naman, what we call this ab sculpting procedure.
Okay.
So what it does, it has this lipocavitation. So tinotone talaga yung ab muscles. So especially ngayong summer, alam mo naman, lahat
Yes.
talagang kailangan gustong
Summer bod.
Summer bod. There's a lot of, you have to you can show something,
Yes,
o diba?
yes.
So, ito na yung preparation natin for the other procedures na talagang gusto mong maganda. So, it's with lipocavitation. So, it has also this radio frequencies, the RF. Also, we have the laser toning. Yeah, hi
Okay, so
again.
last on our service to feature with our models, of course.
Dre
Miss Dre
is
is enjoying what service?
our IPL.
Hair removal. IPL hair removal. So, Miss Dre, as a model, how is it important this kind of service to you?
Sometimes there are on-calls na projects and you're not armpit ready. So, it's really important na you don't shave talaga. Parang baby yan, na inaalagaan mo that makinis.
So, may word pa kayo ng armpit ready talaga?
Armpit ready, oo.
Ikaw, are you armpit ready, madam?
Yeah.
Okay, so may balik kami. It's our turn for the pampering and, beautification. Mag-service ka na ako, Imam.
Hello po!
Kasaya na.
Siyempre, kailangan masaya lang.
Wow, dapat masaya.
Pag po labas niyo, happy ka din.
Correct. Nice attitude, ma'am. Purito ito.
Clara, masambi ka kaya ito.
Saan tingita?
Hindi nga tinggang balbas, masilab yan.
Hola ko tan nula.
Rene?
Wow.
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 Ako yung sopa mo pa.
Thank you. I feel refreshed, guys. Ating papaga ba? Nice.
Ayos!
Ay, di ka na.
Ayos! Sa akin mo pinupukat. Yun mo? Dayo. Nakas ka buwak. Kaya, problema yung face mo. Sabi ko, red ang pang yellow. Yung red po, rejuvenating the skin. Mario red, rejuvenated. Makalmaya pa itong face mo. Red and yellow niya po. Ala na ka makasunod.
Okay.
Yan.
Sige. May pakiramdam na. I-reveal na po natin. Wow! Wapin! Siyempre, kay support your own. Thank you, ma'am. Hi na ka mo ka rin kay ma'am. Alright, so we're back here at the lobby, and again, thank you so much, Sir Mervin, for the tour and educating us with the, of course, your technology and everything. Let's invite our viewers. Tell us more about any upcoming promos or anything you wanna say.
We would like to thank Where in Pampanga for featuring us. We would like to invite everyone to visit us here, Bienetre, at the ground floor of TV Building, here at the Busebad Santos Avenue, at the heart of the city of San Fernando. So, welcome po kayong lahat. We have a lot of treatments that we can offer to you. So mga kaibigan, inimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na bisitahin po kami dito.
Yes.
We are so very welcome to accommodate you, and with your schedule and reservation, you may like us, our page on Facebook. We are open Mondays to Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. because perfection is possible.
I like that. I actually like that.
Yeah.
Perfection is possible. So just to mention as well, no, Bienetre is actually located very accessible kasi nasa center siya ng intersection ng San Fernando. If you're from Bataan, from Angeles, or from Bulacan, dadaanan mo talaga to. Alright, so there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you made it this far, we appreciate your time. If you do want to feel perfectly glowing and ano yung term natin kanina?
Artista glow.
Artista glow. Artista glow.
Manatiling bata.
Correct.
Sariwa at higit lahat sa ating. Wow, you love that. Perfection is possible only at Bienetre.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.